This is the front gate of my beloved alma mater, Carlos L. Albert High School. Isn't it very big? We are now entering. We are now entering Carlos L. Albert. That is the grotto of Carlos L. Albert. I'm very proud to say that I belong to this school as Albertan. This is the Ramos building. It is being renovated because it's very dangerous because it is very old. That is the field. This is the Navarro building where I take up my first year. This is my classroom. One charity. We are the star section on first year. It's very long. This line, yellow lane that you see, is what we call our traffic scheme. That one is the activity center, where we play chess, or all the indoors activities may be held on that activity center. This is one of the most beautiful spots in Carlos L. Albert. That is the covered court of Carlos L. Albert High School. That is the place where we take up our graduation. This is the field where we play our field demonstration. Carlos L. Albert is one of the second cleanest school in Quezon City. It is very beautiful, isn't it? That is the Belmonte building, where I take up my second year. I'm Juan Sampaguita, also the star section. And that on the third floor is my room. That one is also the second year building. The first floor is the canteen. That is our flagpole, where we used to flag retreat every Friday. This is the Matas Hall. The left side is the third year, and the left side is the fourth year. This is my room. That one. It is third year Nara. And I still the star section. I belong to the star section. And on the left side, fourth year. That is my room for Diamond. Also, still the star section. Don't you know that I'm really bright? Because I belong to star section. And this is my beloved alma mater, Carlos Albert High School. It is very big, isn't it? I really love this school. That one is the boys CR, where me and my classmates used to play. I choose Carlos Albert because it is very clean and clean. Like FTU. That's all. Thank you.